Hello, and welcome to eXp Realty's listing presentation workshop. In this section, we will be reviewing the wire fraud notification addendum. This form was adopted in 2018 due to a few buyers and sellers being scammed out of their money through wire fraud. The reason why realtors need to take extra care regarding wire fraud is because the fraud was mostly done using realtors' emails. It turns out that their emails were hacked, and then new emails were sent to customers using a different email address with just one or two characters changed from their realtor's original email name. Therefore, this form is very important to the seller as well as to you, the agent. Please have your seller review the verbiage on this form and have them sign and date at the bottom, acknowledging that they have read the form. Again, please have the seller sign their entire name as they have done on all other listing documentation. Each time they sign their name, it should be written the same as on every other document in their listing file. Thank you, and I hope you have found this section informative.